Rationalize the denominator, simplify if possible. So it's just like when we did before where you have to do the conjugate. Multiply the denominator by its conjugate, which we might be able to do something simpler, but I would do just the exact same thing, just change the sign in the middle. Multiply the numerator by the same thing. So anything over itself is like multiplying by 1. And now FOIL each part out. I used a rectangle for this on the problem just a couple problems ago. We could do that again. 3 squared of a minus b and 3 squared of a plus b, if you like those rectangles to organize. 3 times 3 would be a 9. Square root of a times square root of a would be like square root of a squared, which is a. This times this would be a negative 3b, and the square root of the a. Down here I have a positive 3b square root of a from this plus b times this 3 square root of a, and a negative b squared right there. So that's for the denominator. What hopefully we had happen there is we got rid of those square roots. Those two were opposites, so we just have our 9a minus b squared down there. That's the rationalize the denominator part. No square roots left down there now. And in the numerator, let's see here, what do we have? Maybe another rectangle wouldn't be a bad idea for that. So my square root of a plus 3, and my 3 square root of a, and my square root of b. Square root of a would be a, so just 3a. 3 times 3, 9 square root of a there. And square root of a, square root of b here. And then 3 square root of b here. So I don't know that anything in there is combined, so that's going to be a big mess in the numerator. I've got my 3a, I've got plus my 9 square root of a, I've got my 3b. The order of these I'm not sure really makes any difference. 3 square root of b and my square root of ab, and all those are different things in the square root, so they're all like a x, y, and a z. They all stay separate. So the big idea though was to get rid of the common denominator, or the radicals in the denominator. So that still looks like kind of a mess when we're done, but we did rationalize the denominator. And that's